These are the fastest, dangerous and massive car crash ever. After getting in difficult cross, this driver failed to control his truck. The most expensive and terrible car crash ever. Dull grass tire turn apart like eggs. I can't believe it. How you survived? When driver gets here, he end up in a coffin. Don't blame him, it's common. This is why you should not drive when you are tired. They died. The driver lost life from overloading his truck. Have you ever thanked God for protecting you when crash? These stones are massive, heaviest. Look at that tire. This monster destroyed a car immediately. What can you call driver who collided with a parked car? Take a look. Oh my boy, falling on him, it's death. To dig on cliff, machine have to be suspended, rest it fall off. What? Why a bike turn ash? He safely sit on the rooftop. Oh, fun! Look it in slow motion. Fortunately, neither driver nor person died. It's a safety test. What was he doing? Turning or killing people? Have you ever seen a car cracking in the middle or a massive truck flipping? Terrifying. Oh my gosh, he died instantly. What? Extremely dangerous. What? Cars seem like paper. Turn ash. All we've seen are simple. Look at this massive tree. Check drunkard driving. He brake. Get brake. He died instantly. This is the largest and most expensive crash ever. This biker passes 1 centimeter from death. Government need to stop with this heavy vehicle. Imagine how much you paid this signpost. Is it real? Can a truck container get exploded? Yeah. How do you crash massive house? Bombarded them. This smart driver wake up before death. Oh, it is coming. The photographer was nearly killed. World's powerful robot destroy entire truck in seconds. Very impressive. Here woodpecker succeed his life. Wow. This giant crushed whatever inside. Oh. What if you were in hole and the truck coming? Died instantly. Although they are not people, sometimes we stress our car. Imagine parking until car flip. You've seen plane, house and bridge, but to make sure you are satisfied, here is how massive and most powerful rocket was crashed. It's burning fire. Seen many truck flip and crash, but this is dangerous. Over 20 pipe get off. Instead of crashing them, this is the most terrifying bridge bombarding ever. Here is how single loading mistake cost them over $50,000. Watch down driver. Park on the bridge edge. Go. And a parking truck is risky. It's risky. Any moment you can die. When its base sink real, the massive injection vehicle failed to again. This driver wanted to surpass front car too much until he died. This short bridge hit car off daily. Only this genius driver can pass through. Salary, okay. Machine, wood, sport. Very entertaining. Run. Oh, stay in the poop for a while. This machine is powerful, but compared to full-grown tea, it's nothing. This rider was nearly bone crash. How he rotated in the neck. Check this amazing clip of Watt Tower demolition. Wow. The kid like many loaded the wooden boat with 2 full packed truck. Only underguard protection will survive, not our effort. This construction company failed to turn loading machine. Look at that soldier reaction. It seemed like country was taken. On the weak timber bridge, it disappeared. There is the person under. Yo, you crashed the woman under. How can you survive this? Bridge are harder than rock. Get off, get off. I don't know if his power was enough to weigh that truck. How can you call them? When water put it on a computer, it failed. What if those are completely done? The most skillful truck driver you will ever see. Cliff Muddy Mountain is unstoppable. Massive, heaviest breathing machine crack rope when he tried to lift the 20-ton truck. I've never seen a car dancing like this. Chinese will kill us. When you walk where they don't want you. Building, car, road and house catch fire. Extinction event. Extinguisher starting the fire. I like to see how guy react after machine fail. Much like previous soldier. This is how they make you load. It seems like lighting fire. Not only killing people in the house, when you do get off vehicle. When you drive in mud road for the first time. Very powerful. Even massive bars unstoppable. When the train slide over a road too long, it starts burning rail. Sometimes driver get bored. What was he doing? This monster destroyed car immediately. Turn up.